Hey guys, welcome to Sell and Buy with Leo. Uh, Everybody talking about the mortgage rate decrease in the market right now. So I was happened to be in the office. Well, what more the best way to get more advice and more info other than the best broker in Canada, Eric. By the way, congratulations, Eric.
Thank you.
He won the best broker in Canada. Well, we're proud to have him in our office. And what more than we can ask for than get a best advice from the best broker in Canada.
Thanks, man, for your kind words.
Give me some information on what's going on.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you very much for that introduction. So as you're all aware, the Bank of Canada today announced that they're going to be cutting the prime rate of the Bank of Canada by a quarter point from 5% to 4.75. That's great news for the market. In many, many ways, that's actually signaling that there is some adjustments coming in, that they recognize that the market does need some injection of good capital to come in. So we're in a situation right now where that's come down. Now, the benefits obviously for immediate mortgage holders, if you're in a variable rate mortgage or if you're in a line of credit, your rate will be coming down by a quarter point. So that's good news, especially if you got investment properties. Now more your payments going to be going towards principal.
Toward the principal, yes.
And the second thing too is it also reduces slightly the mortgage qualification. So as you know, to qualify mortgages in Canada, you have to qualify at the rate plus 2%. So that quarter point for those interested in variable rate mortgages or for those interested in lines of credit will also help you with mortgage qualification, although slightly. It's still a good benefit.
True.
I think the hidden message here is that the Bank of Canada will continue to monitor where rates are at. So it would be prudent of them. They've got, I think the next meeting's in July.
Yes.
Will there be a rate cut then? Not sure. We'll see how the economy goes or actually how the quarter point trickles down.
So is it in July or September the next one is going to be?
I got to check that. I'm not sure I think it might be July and September and then September the next one. Okay. Have to double check that. But the good thing is that it has signaled that it could be the beginning of a downward trend, which would be nice.
Which is good for the market, and buyers can be getting into the market.
Yeah, great for the market, and also good for like other debts that people have and for debt consolidations and everything like that. And it'll be good also for those investment properties where people have got variable rate mortgages.
Yes.
Now their payment's going to come down a little bit, so it makes those properties more cash flow.
Yes, true. 100%.
Which is good. Also for those people that bought pre-construction condos and now that they have them closing, that'll also be in a situation that'll help them. We have seen the 3-year and the 5-year bond yields coming down. So we could see 3 and 5-year rates coming down a little bit in the not so distant future.
Not bad. So it's averagely you're looking at about per monthly, maybe around 100 plus on the mortgage can come down on their payments, right?
It depends on the size of the mortgage, but it'll be like approximately a quarter point. So you're probably looking at about per 100,000, maybe about $25, like nothing to per 100,000 approximately. Like it's not a huge reduction, but again, like it is small.
But it's a good direction to have.
Right, exactly. It's starting to trend down. We do anticipate there will be more rate cuts.
True.
So the key is to just stay apprised of what's going on. Contact professionals like Leonard.
Thank you.
And he'll connect you with professionals like me, and we can see really what we can do and provide you guys with the right advice in the right direction. Because I think the key to mortgage financing, when you're buying a house or your investment property, is always to get the right advice from the right professionals, and that's what we're here for.
Thank you, Eric. Guys, no other better person to get advice from the top broker in Canada, and we're very lucky to have him in our office. Listen, any kind of mortgage, even if it's you can have a mortgage outside, they even have a private equity firm. They can give her like a mortgage, private mortgages and everything. Any package, any mortgages, any kind of thing, Eric can do it for you guys. And we're proud to have him in our office. And what more else we can ask for the best guy in the Canada working for us? Give us a call, 416-803-0950. And you can touch with me and Eric, and we can get anything done for you in the mortgage wise. Thank you, Eric.
Thanks, Leonard.